Hey Cesar, my name is McKinley. You spoke to Quincy. I just wanted to get this short video over to you showing you how you can outrank your competition online and get more traffic and more customers. Starting out, you guys have a nice site, but scrolling down I can see you don't have a whole lot of content. You have about 350 words, and Google typically likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words on your homepage. They actually read all the words on your site, and that's how they determine what topics you're relevant to and therefore what to rank you for. You can get your keywords in there as well, and keywords are just the phrases that people are typing into the Google search bar most frequently. I wanted to show you this right here. This is called the Google Map Pack, or GMB, and it's the first thing anyone sees when they search for something online. Almost no one ever clicks on View All, so it's super important to be in this top 3. And you can do that by having more good reviews than any of your competition, and more citations than them as well. A citation is just any time your business's name, address, and phone number are listed on the web together. Most people aren't aware of them or how important they can be. But because this guy has so many more good reviews than this guy, you can tell that citations are playing a role in ranking him to the top. You can also make sure your Google My Business profile is optimized and completed by having properly named photos and the description with the maximum amount of words allowed and keywords in there as well. Another thing that affects how high you rank in here is how high you rank in the organics. And another reason you want to rank to the organics is to the top of the organics is because research has shown that the highest quality and highest quantity of leads you can possibly get comes from ranking to the top of these. So I plugged your site into a tool I use called Ahrefs. It gives me a better idea of the back end of your site. And you can see right here you have about 6 pages referring back to you, so 6 websites, and 32 backlinks overall. A backlink is anytime there's a link on another site, and when people click on it, it takes them to your site. It's essentially a vote or a referral from that site saying, hey Google, this other website is a really good website. So they are crucial to ranking. And you do want to have as many as possible. However, not all backlinks are created equal, and it's really important to have high quality, authoritative ones that are viewed as trusted by Google so that they'll view you as trustworthy. Because if you're considered relevant to what you do through your content and your keywords, and then considered trustworthy in addition to that, Google is going to think that you bring value to the people that are looking for what you do. And if they think you're valuable, they're going to want to put you in front of as many people as possible. So you're not currently getting any consistent traffic to your site, but you are ranking in the first 100 pages of Google for 31 keywords. So if we take a look at those, the reason you guys aren't really getting a whole lot of traffic is because you are in the middle of the 3rd page and lower for all of the keywords in your area, and you really want to be at the top because if you think about it, I don't know about you, but when I'm searching for something online, I'm never going past the first page. I'm picking who I work with and call based on the first couple that I see. And you are already ranking for all the really good words, but we just got to get you a little bit higher. Like San Diego plumbing contractor gets 150 searches a month. The same keyword but with an S is a totally different word in Google's eyes, and you rank for it entirely separately, and that has 250 searches every single month. So let me show you what that would look like. This is one of your top competitors, and he has about 690 words on his homepage. So he's not within that optimal range, but it is enough that it's one of the things helping push him to the top. So if you got 1,500 words of quality content with keywords mixed in there naturally, that would be a super easy first step towards outranking him. And he has 305 websites referring back to him and 2,300 backlinks overall. I know that's a lot and that may be intimidating, but it's actually a bad thing that these two numbers are so far apart, because the only way that they could occur is if a lot of these websites are linking back to him several hundred times. And that just looks spammy to Google, because why would one website link to another site hundreds of times? It's just unnatural. So it can be more of a hindrance than a help. But because his power is so high, I can tell that some of these links are high quality. So we'd want to go into his backlinks and find those higher quality ones and then replicate those for you, in addition to finding even more high quality links that he doesn't even have. Because once you surpass his amount of quality links, you're going to outrank him, because this is holding him back. But he is ranking for 514 keywords. And there is a ton of search volume in your area for what you do. Like Plumber San Diego gets 700 searches every single month. Plumbing San Diego 200, Plumber San Diego CA 250. So there's just a ton of great keywords that you'd want to get to the top couple positions for. there's a total of over 2,400 searches a month for what you do in your area. And if you're in the first position, you're getting 1/3 of this total volume as traffic to your site. So if you were to outrank him and get to that first position and get 1/3 of that total volume as traffic to your site, I mean, logically, if you kept the same close rate, if you exponentially increase the amount of traffic, you exponentially increase your amount of customers. And what would that do for you and your business? So on that note, I will leave you. Once again, my name is McKinley. This is my phone number and my email. Feel free to contact me at any time with any questions you may have, and I'd love to go over your vision for the future for your business. Thank you. Have a good day.